Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold. We have CPI news this week, we have PPI the day before, that's Tuesday and Wednesday. Links all in the video description. XAUUSD, now let's get into it. So last week we had these two areas at the start of the week, concentrated area here and a concentrated breaker here. You can see price came up to the first one, nice downwards move. We was looking for the sell. So that would have resulted in a nice bit of profit, and the main one would have been this one here. This is the highest breaker area. So you got a retest of that area followed by an impulse move down, and that was at the start of the week. Shocked a lot of people, the volume of it, and then for the rest of the week we got that retracement back up. So hopefully you made some profit off that, either the downwards move or the movement back up, because once we had this downwards move, we saw support from this grey area over here to the left. And then we saw a little retest here multiple times. And then a lot of people got this upwards movement to target these highs. That was the main aim of the second half of the week. Links are all in the video description. VIP service, free Telegram group, and my personal link if you want to message me. So going into Friday, we was looking for a reversal in this area. You can see this is another grey area that retested the previous one. So you'd be naturally looking for resistance in this area. And that's why we got a sideways movement. We were slowly creating liquidity and taking it from the upside. So we're in this area now. We are in an area for a reversal. So this brings us on to this week's weekly forecast. So we go to the higher time frame. The daily time frame, get rid of the period separators, and you can see on the daily time frame we are still within this consolidation here, so and we are in the middle of that range. So you have to wait for smaller time frame confirmation to get into the move. That's all I'll be doing this week, watching the smaller time frame, waiting for price to come to an area of interest, and then if it starts reversing and showing power to validate that reversal, then I'll take it. But at the moment, you are a bit cautious because we're in the middle of this range. Now we'll go down to the 4 hour and we can just see what's happening here. So this is the range. We've retested this main area here. So this is the main bullish support of the range. And you can see we're going into a wedge formation. So bullish support from here, came back down last week and retested that area, which is your breaker. So it's doing the same thing up the top as it is down the bottom. So you have no way of knowing which way it's going to go until you've got more confirmation. You can see we're in the middle of that range now. So we're in a potential reversal area, but to validate a movement down from here, you need to be watching the smaller time frame at the high volume times, and that's likely to be with the New York session. So that's what I'll be doing first. If we don't get that, then you're likely to come and break to the top side. Remember, the upside is still powerful. You can still see we're in the bullish structure, and that swing trade we was going for the sell last week would have been taken out around now, because you've got the big downwards move and now we've got the big retracement. So I would say hang off from that if you're still in, because you need more confirmation of a continuation down. We've retested this is bullish support. We've retested this area, which is bullish support, and now we've done a little retracement on the smaller time frame. So we might even get a retracement a bit from here, come back to this area, and then a continuation to the upside to break these highs. We don't really know what's happening until we've got more confirmation. So follow the free channel. I will update that through the week. So what I'll do is do a daily update on the free channel. I won't put it on YouTube. And that will give you a bit of clarity on what I'm seeing on the chart for that day. And I will put on if there's any major updates. But at the moment, I am being cautious on gold. I advise you to do the same. I will mainly be focusing on trading US 30 with CPI news and PPI news this week. So Tuesday and Wednesday, that will be my main trading times. As that's got the highest volume, it has the same structure that follows the same US 30 strategy. So that's what I'll be focusing most of my time on this week. Like I say, US gold is in a range. It's in the middle of the range. The best you could do is scalp it on the smaller time frame using the smaller time frame confirmations within a high volume time. Message me if you've got any questions. Links are all in the video description. Sorry there's not much to give for the weekly forecast, but I hope to give you some through the week, some information through the week on the free Telegram channel. Take care, have a good day, and goodbye.